So hi guys, hi, welcome back once again. So in last video, if I remember, we created what we created, how to create a configuration in Docker files. So in this video we will be doing something different. So in this video we will be creating the, let's say, Docker ignore. We will be talking about that. So if I talk about that initially, if you remember, if you have worked in Node.js, like in, you remember there is something called dot git ignore, and that you used to do, whenever you try to create a git repo. Okay, yeah, okay. So the thing is same like that, that same part we have in Docker also. And if I talk, let's say, like currently right now you can see here we don't want the node modules, should be copied. Like if I talk about this statement, guys, so right now this is the source, this is the destination. Okay, and the destination is .app. So we don't want that we copy this node modules to here. So there will be two problems. So the first problem is, like if we copy this, then it will recreate and replace the node modules again, number one. And number two is basically the time. Okay, and number three is this is not the right way to do it in short. So we have to not do that. So coming back to here, what you have to do is you have to create a file name here, that is docker, wait a minute, docker ignore. This is what you have to do. So once you create this file, make sure that you have it with a dot as a prefix. Okay, so this is what docker ignore. So whatever files you don't want, just type modules, that's it, then press enter again. Always have a habit of giving a single line and then writing it. And let's say if you don't want any MD files like this, or like, let's say it can be any, you just write the folder name and you're ready to go. Okay, so that's it about Docker ignore. So in the next video we will be talking about how we can start and run the containers, and let's see it live what we have created.